Plumbing is really not hard, but a lot of times just the positions you gotta work in and the situation, it can be very, very complicated. Tight spot, confined space, limited lighting, and just so much more other things that can make the job actually seems a lot more complicated than it is. As you can see right now, I'm on the ladder, 6 foot ladder, like 8 foot ceiling, and I'm soldering. This is from 3/4 to ½ inch copper elbow. You see, I'm soldering from that side. Yes, I had enough solder. It looks like I didn't, but I did double check it, and it seems to be good. And if when I turned the water on, there was no leak. So it seems like that joint didn't take enough solder at 3/4, but trust me, it was enough. And you can see I'm just repositioning myself just to get that back. It looks very not that complicated on the video, but it's very, very complicated. This the space that I'm working with is very tight. I usually start at the bottom because it rise, but as you can see on that elbow, I'm actually starting at the top, which is fine. It's just usually better to start at the bottom. But yeah, that right there, just a ½ inch elbow. Space is very limited, but yeah, this is just what we go through sometimes. But yeah, hope you guys like the video. Please like and share.